welcome to the YouTube channel of Oils or Blessings. My name is Sam, and in this episode, we'll do another unboxing of some of the stuff I bought in Shopee for my upcoming class. So, Aromatherapy in Action is actually a class by Amy Galper. So, Amy Galper is an aromatherapist and is the founder of the first aromatherapy school in New York City, which is the New York City Institute of Aromatherapy. So for this year, her goal is actually to certify a lot of people, if not thousands. Yeah, let's do an unboxing today para dun sa aking class for February 15. So basically, it's an online class. Kanina ba ito galing? Oh, who are you from? Oh, Cedar Alley. Okay, so I bought a lot of things, and the thing that I like with Cedar Alley, talaga namang compact sila pag nag-packaging. Kaya lang, paminsan, nanghihinayang kasi ang daming paper. Hold. And if you watch my other videos, alam nyo naman, hindi ako basta-basta nagsisira ng packaging. Kasi I really want to help Mother Earth, and one way to do that is recycle or reuse whatever comes along. Okay, so this is cling wrap. Cling wrap na, may bubble wrap pa. Diba? You really make sure na you get your items na secured talaga. Yun lang matrabaho for people like me. If you want to up your game, meaning hindi lang kayo gamit, you want to monetize your oils, you can enroll in the class of Amy Galper. It's actually discounted rate already. I got it for $300. Tapos na yung deadline for the early bird rate. So wala na yung $300 rate. Pero still, discounted pa rin yung rate na nasa website. So paano ko nasabing discounted? So it's around, I think it's around 400 something, almost 500. It is still discounted because prior to COVID, the cost for a class that will give you the opportunity to be recognized as a certified aromatherapist would cost, you want to guess? If you were not able to watch my previous videos, the cost is around $2,000 to $3,000 US dollars compared to $500 na hindi early bird rate. So, bakit mura? Amy wants to have more people take the class. Or if you don't want to be certified, at least for you to learn and apply what you learn and share what you learn with other people. When it comes to safely using essential oils. I thank God for eating alcohol. Mura na yun. Diba? Before it was just a dream. Pangarap lang talaga. Now, I'm taking steps to reaching my dream. Okay, almost there. Okay. Tada! Box na lang. Nasa nga ba yung top side? Top side. I guess this is top. So kayo, what are you doing? Do you have a dream? What are you doing to move closer to your dream? It will always be a dream if you do not do anything. Okay, so sabi ko nga, bubble wrap and paper. So, let us do this. First item is argan oil. Huwag natin i-crumple. Magagamit pa natin ito. If not as packaging for another item to send out, scratch paper. Okay, second. Okay, sunflower carrier oil. Next is pumpkin seed carrier oil. Yeah, in my future videos, we will feature yung mga items that I bought para alam niyo what are the uses of the carrier oils and the other oils. Okay, and then this one is refined jojoba oil. It's another carrier oil. And this is rose hydrosol. Then this one is I believe this is shea butter. Shea? How do you pronounce it ba? Shea butter. Naririnig ko sa mga Amerikano, shea butter. Yeah, refined shea butter. Another one, neroli hydrosol. And what's this? Lavender hydrosol. Dapat merong discount po. wala yata ako nakuha discount. And this is a Tamano carrier oil. Ang siya lang ang kulay ito. Ano ang kulay ito? Green. So next is a 30 ml of vitamin E. Ayan. So ayoko bumili. Pwede naman makabili ng vitamin E na capsules. Pero matrabaho naman yung isa-isahin ko, bubutasin ko pa or guguntingin ko pa para lang makuha ko yung laman. This one na lang, easier pa. So for the aromatherapy and action class, we'll be needing yan, carrier oils, essential oils, butters, things like that. So Cedar Alley is just one of the local suppliers of this raw materials. So if you need quality raw materials to complement your essential oil projects, you can go to Cedar Alley. So watch out for my future videos wherein I will be featuring every single item that I got from Cedar Alley, para alam ninyo what it is and how to use it. So that's it for today. If you also want to be a certified aromatherapist, I will leave the link of Amy's website in the description box. If you want to learn more about essential oils, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Just look for Oils or Blessings. And if you want to have your own kit with a diffuser, I will leave the link below. Oh, and if you want to purchase your raw materials from Cedar Alley, I'll leave the link as well in the description box. So again, my name is Sam, and thank you for supporting me in my journey to becoming a certified aromatherapist. Peace and blessings!